Alright, so the harmonic mean is actually a very useful tool in competition math, as we'll see in a few minutes after we explain what it is. And so we can begin by explaining what the harmonic mean is. So the harmonic mean states that if you have n numbers, if or I mean we'll just say it like this: harmonic mean the harmonic mean the harmonic mean of n numbers, harmonic mean of n numbers x1, x2, x3, and so on until x of n is the following: n all over 1 over x1 plus 1 over x2, not x squared, x sub 2 plus 1 over x sub 3, and so on, all until 1 over x sub n. So that's the harmonic mean, and we'll do a couple practice problems. And a useful case usually for the harmonic mean, is finding the average of two rates. So like miles per hour, and as you see, that's exactly what we're going to do, finding the average of two rates. So this problem states that Mr. Earl Ebert gets up every day at 8 a.m. to go to work. If he drives at an average speed of 40 miles per hour, he'll be late by 3 minutes. If he drives at an average speed of 60 miles per hour, he'll be early by 3 minutes. How many miles per hour does Mr. Bird need to drive to get to work exactly on time? Now, initially, this might be tempting just to take the arithmetic mean of 40 and 60 to get 50. However, that is a common mistake we must not make, because 40 miles per hour and 60 miles per hour are two rates, and they are not they're not numbers. If it was like 40 miles and 60 miles, then yes, you wouldn't be late by 3 minutes, of course, but the average of 40 miles and 60 miles will be 50 miles. But this is 40 miles per hour, he will be late by 3 minutes. And then average of 60 miles per hour, he will be early by 3 minutes. And note, we can take the arithmetic mean of this naturally, since these 3 minutes will cancel themselves out. The 3 minutes will cancel themselves out when we take the a sort of mean. Alright, so we're going to take the harmonic mean, as you'll see in a minute, but those 3's will cancel out because the average of 3 and 3 is 3. I mean, it's 3 and 3, excuse me, you'll be late by 3 minutes, so 3, we'll just say positive 3, and then early by 3 minutes is negative 3's. Average of 3 and negative 3 is 0. So, yes, so the harmonic mean. So, since we're working with two numbers, our n value would be 2 all over 1 over our first value, which would be 40, plus 1 over our second value, which is 60. And to add these, we can find the LCM. LCM of 40 and 60 is 120. So this can be rewritten as 2 all over 3 over 120 plus 2 over 120. Adding gives 5 over 120, so 2 over 5 over 120. 120 divided by 5 is 24, so this was equal to 2 all over 1 over 24. And just to rewrite it, let me fix that 2, it's a little ugly. Just to rewrite it for clarity, we have 2 divided by 1 all over 24. And since we know For dividing fractions, we take the reciprocal and multiply it. So this is equal to 2 times 24 over 1, which is equal to 2 times 24, which is 48. And that would be our answer, which is B. Oops. Let's get that full B in there. There you go.